So if you want to tell me something, if you want to greet me, you take the time para double purpose. Ano? Okay lang yan. You have a greeting to me. Okay. Ang picture taking na lang pala, not one by one, but by group. Para masaya. Masaya. So yung group 1 na. Okay, so this is our agenda. 1 week na lang pala, I was advised by someone na, okay, tumatagal lang ng 1 week. After that, eggnog na.
Eggnog.
So ang closing natin next Friday. Ganun lang kabilis.
Joseph.
On Monday, you'll have your egg. Starting now. Starting now, ano? So at home, kapag may nagalaw, sa mga kasama niyo sa bahay, ang sasabihin niyo ganito, ang itlog ko! Ang itlog ko!
Ang itlog ko!
Kapag may nagalaw. Monday, you have your egg the whole day. What he said, Monday, you have your egg the whole day. Learning personal responsibility. On Tuesday, you will give your egg to lower years. Teaching you delegation. What's delegation? Sharing to others the responsibility that you have. So, from time to time, kakamustahin nyo.
Alin?
Break time, lunch time.
Ang itlog ko.
Magpapalaki
Hindi ba na-
ibigay.
Ako ang
Para
itlog ko.
walang double
Kamusta lang
responsibility.
itlog ko?
Magpapalabutan tayo.
Ayos.
Tayo communicate with that teacher. Ang itlog ko po. Pero,
Sa darak ang itlog
everyday you
ko.
begin. Thursday, nandun naman. So that we will be close to one another. Magpapalabutan. Ibibigay, hindi. Basta, bahala na. Magpapalitan kayo. From time to time, kakamusta yung mga klase mo. Ang itlog ko.
Ang itlog ko.
Friday, 2 days sa inyo ulit.
Ganun pa din.
Close tayo sa araw.
Ayos pa rin.
Okay? Okay yung agenda natin, mga anak?
Yes.
Yes, simulan na natin.
Yay!
The responsibility starts now.
Ang
Okay?
itlog ko.
At home, you need to
Ang lalagyan